Hello everybody and welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Paul speaking, and again we've got another lovely brand new Suzuki Jimny JC Sierra. This is the Japanese spec vehicle, so it's a very high spec. So we've also it's been fitted with some quite nice aftermarket extras, such as a hard cover for the spare wheel, the retro style front grille, mud flaps, and carpets on the interior because they don't come from the factory with carpets. And you'll also notice it's got the rain visors over the driver and passenger's door. There's the hard cover, which really suits this car to a T, because they come in black and it matches the black of the car. So this being a JC Sierra, it comes as 2 and 4 wheel drive, high and low ratio gearbox. It's this particular vehicle's done 13 kilometres, about 7 or 8 miles from the factory. It comes with LED headlights with headlight washers, front fog lights, power, heated folding door mirrors with built-in indicators, privacy glass, got 15-inch alloy wheels, front and side airbags. It's got ABS, brake assist, cruise control, traction control, lanes protection, hill descent, leather steering wheel, heated front seats, 2 proximity keys, and it has push button start for the start on the dashboard, push button start. So they're a very high spec in comparison to what was ever supplied in the UK. There are the mats we provide for them. The vehicles don't come with a head unit in Japan. They don't come from the factory with a stereo system, or whatever you want to call it, media entertainment system. I can put you onto a very good system for not a crazy price. I've got one in, by the way, I have a Jimny just the same as this here myself. Mine is khaki green, and I've got a head unit in it that basically does about absolutely everything, and it really is impressive. And that only cost me about £388. So then when you've got that fitted, it's fully UK compliant, so there's no issues with it being a Japanese head unit. It's 100% UK, and it does absolutely everything: Apple Play, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, GPS antenna. The list just goes on. It's got a dash cam that operates with the front and a reversing camera to the back, and it's a 2K screen, so it's like looking through your windscreen when you see the image through the back of the reversing camera. So I provide the opportunity for my customers to be able to buy these cars direct from Japan at the trade export price. You will make a massive saving on UK retail prices. This car is currently located in Japan, and I've been providing this service since February 2004, and I have supplied thousands of cars to the 4 corners of the United Kingdom. You name a place in the UK and I've got a customer there, who's taking delivery of, you name it. Isles of Orkney and the Isles of Jersey. I've got customers now who have taken Jimnys onto the Isles of Jersey very recently. Recently also in the Isle of Man, Northern Ireland, Southern Ireland, you name a place, I supply them. So it's not a problem. Anywhere where the ships go, in other words, within reason. But we do tend to ship these particular vehicles to Southampton, where they are prepared for registration. That's where they go through the IBA test for registration of the DVLA. So they're short of nothing, I don't think, but they're, as you would say, horses for courses. These vehicles are an off-road vehicle, ideal for people living in remote areas, narrow roads, fantastic. So contact me. My name's Paul. Speak to you soon.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.